Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see how to crack any job interview. Okay, so if you are a fresher or an experienced person watching this video, this might be helpful for you. Okay, so the first point is research about the company or the employer. Suppose you are going for an interview and interviewer will ask you that why are you interested in our company. Okay, so to answer this question you should search before going for the interview. Okay, so from where you will search, go to their website. Suppose if you are going for a job interview for Infosys company, okay, so search about the Infosys company. Okay, go into that website, official website, search about that, what are their products, when it is established headquarters. Okay, so like that. So by taking the knowledge from that website or from the Google search, you will be able to give the proper answer. Okay, so the next point is show your interest in the company. Okay, next point is show your interest in the company. Suppose if they ask you any question, whatever it may be, suppose it might not be related to your background, but still show your interest in that company and prove that you are interested and eligible candidate to perform the job responsibilities, like that. Okay, so third is set your first impression. uh, Please do small projects if you are from CSIT background. Okay, so that projects will be helpful for your interview, during interview, so that you can tell or you can express, you can give the presentation on that as well, not like a seminar or presentation type. You can give more in detail information what you did. Suppose I did 5 projects on my own for myself only. Okay, so that I can inform or I can tell to the interviewer that, oh, I did 5 projects, and you express or you express though you give information about that 5 projects to that interviewer, so that he will also get an clear idea, oh, this candidate is really interested for this job opportunity, and I find those skills as per the job description mentioned. Okay, so definitely they will hire you. Then share more about your experience. Suppose if you are an experienced candidate, not necessary, but then share your experience. If you have done internship or any training, then explain about it. Okay, so explain about it to your interviewer. Suppose if you did your BTech project, then that will be also useful for that. Okay, so explain what technology that you have used or you have implemented or you have developed in your project. That technology important. You did your BTech project with a team of 3 or 4 members, then interviewer will definitely ask you what was your role in that project. That is the question. Then you should be able to answer this question. Okay, so my role was do the front end coding. Someone will say my role was back to do the back end coding, like that. Okay, so next point is avoid yes or no questions. Okay, so if interviewer is talking, he talk about 2 to 3 minutes, then don't say yes or no. Say yes sir, I agree with your point, I'm totally agreed, like that. Okay, don't say just yes or no, because it will give the bad impression on the interviewer. And suppose if he asks any question and you don't know the answer, but if you try to give the answer with confidence, then definitely he will select you. Doesn't matter your whether your answer is wrong or right, just prove it. just give that answer. If you know that your answer is wrong, but you are trying, what I am saying, I repeat, you are trying to give the answer with your confidence, then he won't reject you. Let me give you an example. One candidate went for an interview. An interviewer asked to that candidate that what is your Gmail address. Okay, so interviewer, so student told him his email ID. Then interviewer asked again, what is your Gmail password. Then that candidate told him that, sir, my Gmail password is 12345678. Okay, then interviewer said that, dear, you are rejected, because you are um, anyone will ask you about your Gmail ID and password. You directly told me your Gmail ID and password. So but the candidate said, sir, yes, I agreed, I told my Gmail ID and password, but password can be many type of combinations. It can be 1234, that is ONE1, TWO2, THREE, using uppercase, lowercase, like that. Okay, so there are multiple type of combinations we can make from that 1 to 8 password. So that candidate rejected that company. So I'm just giving an example to you. Okay, so if you are giving any answer, keep your eye contact with that interviewer. Okay, don't see anywhere on your left side, right side. Just if you are giving answer, then keep eye contact and talk, give your answer, explain your answer. Okay, and if you are giving wrong answer, then don't worry about that, nobody see. Okay, so and your skills matter. Whenever you go for any interview, your skills matter, technical skills. If you are from CSIT background, then what projects you have done, what was your role, either coding, that is front end coding, programming, back end, MySQL, what programming languages you are interested in. Okay, and the whenever your interview finish, before that interviewer will ask you one question, that do you have any question. Interviewer will ask you, do you have any question. Then don't say directly no, say I'm just give you an example. Just say like, sir, can you please tell me that on which technologies the company is currently working on. So this question will affect on the interviewer's mind, that oh, this candidate is really much interested to join our company. Then that will be a good impression on the interviewer. Okay, so be polite, give your answer in a positive way. Okay, if you don't know, doesn't matter, that leave it on the interviewer. Okay, whatever decision he will take, leave it on their side, don't take stress on that. But whatever you will be answer, give your answer in polite way. Show your positiveness to your interviewer, show the interest, search about the company, search more and more about the company. Okay, and also say that, sir, I am really trying to join this company since this many of years, suppose 2 and 3 years. So that will be a good point. Okay, so I'm just from this video, I just wanted to tell you that be polite, show your positiveness, show your interest in that company, and please keep in mind these 5 points. Okay, so and I wish you all the best for your interview. Good luck. Thanks for watching this video.